Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to update Google Chrome in Windows 10. So how to update Google Chrome in Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is already on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. To update the Google Chrome application, just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Then a scrolling menu will appear. And select the Settings menu. Well, here you are already in the Settings menu. Here there are many menu options that you can use to manage your Google Chrome. Down itself tap About Chrome. Well, here it has entered the About Chrome menu. Well, it can be seen in this section. Usually Google Chrome will have an update button here. Here why isn't there? Because my Chrome application is already on the latest version or has been updated. So if it hasn't been updated, a button will appear here to update it. So that's it, the tutorial how to update Google Chrome in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.